Just the very beginning of it. That's right. May seem clear over here, but as you can see, yep, another storm coming today. That's right. So yeah. My God. Isn't right, big girl? Nice and refreshing, isn't it? And as you can see, yeah, that's right. No longer a block of ice there. Finally. Seriously. Sun is finally starting to come out a little bit. That's good. Oh boy. Yeah, as you can tell, that's obviously not good. When the weather's like this before a storm, that's not good at all. And yes, I do talk from experience. Yep, that's right. There's the dog who just went around the corner. Oh, did you hear about that? I wonder why he went around the corner. Or just to lie down. That could be the reason why. I thought. Really? I seriously thought I was gonna go down, sit down and piss or something, like pee on the wall or some shit. Which, speaking of shit, there's shit somewhere. I guess I was wrong. The size too small. Ridiculous. Damn. Let's do it, Lucas. I guess he's just sitting down and relaxing, I guess. In case it's obvious already. Still can see you, big boy. Still can see you. How about that? No? I guess not. Whatever. Isn't right, big boy. Whatever. Oh, sorry about that. Guess he's enjoying the warm weather and I don't blame him. Seriously. Let's see how the dog is doing now here before I end the video. Oh, good. Wait, what the hell is that? I was just saw. I didn't know what the hell I was for a second. Hey, big girl. Anyways. Hold on a minute. Oh shit. Keep the Cowens in again. Come on, Lucas. Damn glare. No, I guess not. That's fine. Once again, I do not blame him. Anyways. That's it. I can tell what show that is. I can tell what. Can tell what show is playing now because of the music. Anyways, that's it.